Good morning, everyone. My name is József Nyíri. I'm the CTO of IND Group. We are a 10-year-old technology provider for banks in the EMEA region for 15 countries. We are doing online and mobile banking. And our key differentiator is the innovation in user experience. This innovative approach puts us into the position that we can work for bigger banking groups like Raiffeisen, Erste, or UniCredit. Today, the big online services like YouTube, Google, or Facebook, they have changed the way how we use the web. They have changed the way how we expect online services look like and how they work. And honestly, online banking systems today, they are not there. They are lagging behind my expectations. They are lagging behind the expectations of the internet users. So today what I'm going to show you how an innovative online banking system looks like and how does it work. And what's more, not only useful for the customers, but how it can generate profit for a bank. So what we can see here is IND online banking, and after logging in I can see my welcome screen. In the middle, simple access to the most important information and banking activities like my account, investment or loan summary, like shortcuts to the most frequently used online banking features which I use most often. On the other side, I have alerts, important. I have a green bar which shows me how much money do I have free to spend after I have paid my monthly bills. And at the end, I can see my past 5 spendings visualized on a small chart. The online banking system shouldn't be the same for everyone, for every customer segment, and we do differentiate between different customer segments. What we have seen before was a basic welcome screen, and this is a welcome screen for the affluent customer segment, which shows a much more advanced, much more comprehensive view on my finances with an I have and I owe approach, where I can see what are the balances of my accounts. I can drill down, and the same for my loans, for my credit cards. The online banking should be the best place to sell banking products. So we should use as much as possible every available space at the online banking to offer banking products. And within IND online banking, we have an online sales engine where the banks can define campaigns on products and campaigns on customer segments and different type of messages or images or just pictures, how to present this offer to the customer. And this is an example for that under the IO section, the system can see that I don't have a personal loan, and with using this very simple rule, it puts an offer for me in a very same format, in a very same manner that I can see my cards or loans. So most likely I will read it and I will not skip it as a banner. Another powerful feature in the online banking is a full internal search, which is very much like Macintosh Spotlight or Windows Programs and File Search. If I'm looking for my loan, it searches in absolutely different information sources within the online banking. Like I've already found that I have 2 types of loan products in the bank. I can see messages related to my loans from my bank, and I can see loan repayment transactions. And of course, online applications that I can do from or within the online banking. If I would like to review my transactions, we have a clever tool which we call a transaction spotter. A transaction spotter is to understand my finances, where my money is going, how do I spend my money. And obviously I can search here for different transactions. I can see my spendings in Tesco, for example, and I can drill down each of them, and I can even add tags to the transactions, like a vacation, or my hobby is scuba diving, and I can save them, and then I can search for these tags, and after that I can see how much did I spend, for example, on this vacation, and if I would like to review it, the same set of information in a calendar view where or when did I spend my money, on which week, how much did I spend. I can see the same information on the calendar. And to answer the question that who takes most of my money can be seen on a so-called cloud view, where there are pictures, logos, faces, and the bigger the logo, the more money I have spent there. A balance chart is to answer questions that where or how quickly I'm spending my money, how my account balance has changed over a period of time, and I can spot one day, I can see how much money did I have on my current account, and what was the transaction that has changed my balance. And finally, I can review my transactions on a map view, where I can see if I'm spending most of my money on the shopping street or if I'm spending most of my money in the Soho in the night, for example. But yeah, I mean, this is all the expectation of a simple internet user. They use the maps. They use comprehensive and visualized information charts. And I think this is what everyone's expecting from the online banking sites today as well. So if you would like to give an online banking system to your customers, which they love, and which can even be a profit center with generating product sales, please come and talk to us outside the networking area during lunchtime. Thank you very much.